Hello. Today I wanted to add another box type, the radioactive type, which explodes or kills the player when two of them are side to side or perhaps near each other. I will think about the perfect distance to use, but in principle I want to make the new type. I already added the material with this, obviously this is placeholder, but I wanted to have a crate of type of radioactive type. I'm setting the material according to the to the character. Let me add the radioactive character here. The radioactive, let's call it radio for brevity. And at the logic, let's see, we are making crate selecting. Let's add the new case here. And we need to we should ensure that there are at least two, if there are any radioactive crates, there should be at least two, because only one, if there is only one, it's a bit boring. So let's see. And here, if it's exactly one, we should change the type of some other. Let's see. We choose a random crate. If it's not radioactive, we make it radioactive and exit the loop. So now that we are making the crates, now we will add the logic. I think we already checked for, yeah, here it is. We are checking for burns. So we should generalize this function. Let's see. Player loses. And let's see. If this is the lava. Now, the logic I want to make with this is the following. Suppose we have these two boxes are radioactive, no? So normally the robot will not be affected, or if it's some different character, perhaps, I don't know. No, because I want to do some toxic crates that kill the player on touch. So the radioactive boxes will not kill the player, but on their own. But if the player puts two of them like this, next to each other, they will explode, killing the player or losing the game. So to check for that, for 0, we need to check we check this and this. And if the two crates are radioactive, we check for distance. I think I had in the point class, we had Manhattan distance. Are we using it for something? Yeah, we were using it for several checks. Okay, now if the distance, sorry, is exactly 1, we return true. For now, we let's put this as a task, because perhaps I will increase it. So this I think is enough, because this will return true only when there is lava below the player or when two boxes are radioactive and they are next to each other. Yeah, let's try it. We have an error here because yeah, we are adding. This is sorry. I'm checking this inside the loop. The loop where I'm adding the crates. Yeah. So this was too big. So this index was too big, etc. Okay, now make again. Non-radioactives. And it should be outside. Yeah. Now this should work. Okay. Okay, let's see. Now let's clean the levels. Obviously, the game still has no logic related to these boxes, but I'm seeing that the checking is already incorrect, because let's see, here we have 2, none, 2, but here we have only 1. There is something wrong with the this is the bug. This break was outside the if. Okay. Okay, let's test again. Let's test the levels. Nice. Here we have 2, 2, 2, 3, 2. Now let's see Obviously, when we are playing this level, currently we don't have the logic here in the game, but let's see what solution it suggests. Interesting. They never touch. Okay. Let's see this one. They never touch. Let's see this one. This one. Yeah, it's not very, for these levels, it's not very different from the normal solutions. So we will have to check if there are really, if the generated levels really need the radioactive boxes to justify the solutions, but that's a task for the level curator. Okay, this seems to work. Let's see this one. Okay, this one. Nice. Okay, in principle, we could solve this one in this fashion, but obviously we need to add the logic of the explosion. Okay, let's see. In the move, we will rename this, which case, just in case. Clever losses. Enter. Yeah, we return. This is interesting because yeah, here in the game we need to check after the move. Okay, now obviously this is the same. Let's copy the logic. Okay, we have, it's not so efficient as the generator, but it suffices because it's only for the graphical interface. So yeah, this is difficult also. In this case, yeah, we lose. We have to customize the message. Let's add the the losing message, but basically it works. Okay, nice progress. Obviously we have some issues to solve, but I will crack them later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and more importantly, to share these videos with people that you think could learn something from them or be entertained by my mistakes. Thanks.